Hello everybody, I am Annie Katare, expert nutritionist in ANMI. I am having 10 years of experience in the field of nutrition and dietetics. Today I am here to talk about what is menopause. Menopause is a natural biological process. It is a time where the menstrual cycle ends. It occurs when woman consecutively has not menstruated for more than 1 year or for more than 12 consecutive months. It usually begins at the age of 45 to 55 years, but it depends on the woman's to woman. It either start early or it either start late. It's all depend on the woman's to woman's. Basically, there are the three transition stages of menopause. One is a pre-menopause, second one is a menopause, third one is a post-menopause. When we're talking about the pre-menopause, it is a stage where the periods become irregular. Bleeding is sometimes very heavy, sometimes very light, or sometimes it is just as 2 or 3 clots in a day. And when we are talking about the menopause, it is a lack of menstrual cycle throughout the 1 year. When we are talking about the post-menopause, it is refers to the year after menopause has occurred. So there are the three transition stages. During menopause, your ovaries stop releasing the ovarian egg, and also our body produces less of progesterone, estrogen, and other female hormones. The lower level of these hormones causes the symptoms of menopause that affect our physical as well as the brain health. Brain health, how? When your estrogen level is high, your brain health is really high, your brain energy is high, your brain health is really good. When it is started declining, your neuron cells stop working properly. They are also slowing down and age faster. The process and the change in the process causes the deposition of Alzheimer diseases. Also, there is a lack of concentration, lack of memory, irritation, and mood swing, and lack of attention. Symptoms of menopause are the vaginal itching, skin dryness, irritation, mood swing, hot flashes, night sweating, reduced labor, memory problem, difficulty in concentration, sore or the tender breast, increased urination and breathlessness, lack of stamina, lack of energy, reduction in the bone mass, reduction in the muscle mass, and there's a weight gain. So these are all the symptoms of menopause. That's a bit of brief about menopause. ANMI has recently launched a new product for menopause which will help you to deal with menopause symptoms and ease this menopause phase. As this product contains good amount of calcium, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B, and magnesium, which helps to control and cure the symptoms of menopause. It also helps to reduce the hot flashes, limit the night sweat, improve bone density, and maintain your hormone cycle. So please click on the below button to subscribe to get all the recent updates on women's awareness, and also please do share this page with your friends and family to spread the knowledge. Take care, stay healthy. Bye.